Hello, my name is Keegan, and I am a student on the Janux website. I wanted to make just a short video series to talk about how I've been using it for the general chemistry content last semester and how I plan to use it this semester as I look at the chemistry of beer content as well. So let's go ahead and get started here. This is the website here, and what I want to talk today about is just about notes and how I'm going to take them and just how you can share them between groups and individuals. So let me go to, so this is the chemistry of beer course, and let me get to some written content real quick. So down here we have the written content, up here we have our videos. So I'm just going to click on this article here and somewhere in the page. So one of the things that's pretty cool about this website is that you can go in and you can define words right on the page. So if I want to know what a hydrometer is, so it's an instrument that it's used in the beer brewing process to measure specific gravity, it looks like. So I want to highlight that and I want to note that. So we'll say, I think I'm going to highlight this year here, so if I select that, it just prompts me to add a highlight right here. But I want to do more than that. I actually want to note, I think I'm going to note every instrument that's used as we go through. So I'll add a note out here, but you can actually add notes on words themselves too. So I'll go ahead and just say add note, and this is just to myself. I don't really want other people to show it. I'm just going to house my notes on this website. So as I go through, let's do instrument is what this is, and this particular instrument is one that measures specific gravity. So, okay, so I have this note now, and it's going to stay on the page, so I'll just save that. And you can see now I have this little one here that shows that I have a note on this website. Now I can click on that, and I can see exactly what it is, but I actually want to go through, and you can share it here, or you could have shared it when you create a note. So you can share if you add people to this discussion, so I can search for Dawn, and everyone with Dawn in their name will come up. Or you can search for specific groups too. So the Reddit group, if you're public, doesn't look like you are, but any of these groups that are public that you want to share comments with, you can do. So another thing that I like about this though is that you can go in and you can, let me edit this real quick. You can add images, which I think this is one of the things that will make this good to use, is because I can go in and I can add content, pictorial content to this. So what I want to do is, there was a timeline mentioned on that, and I could start this now and then I'll edit it sometime later, but it looked like 1770 was when the hydrometer was introduced based on that article. So I could start a timeline here and I could save that, and then I'm going to have that image saved now when I come back, so I'll quickly be able to visually see what I was trying to note to myself. So there's that, and that's done. And then if I shared this with someone, then they could come back and they could comment using another image, another drawing. So I think that's pretty cool. But my favorite part about this is, as I'm going to go through and add notes to the chemistry of beer course while I'm taking it, this function up here, this search function, I can select only to view my notes that I want to search for. So as I go through, and I'm going to look for instrument, and it'll search, and there is my note that I've made over here on this content. So as I go through, I'll be able to search instrument after I've taken all my notes, and I'll be able to see every instrument that is involved in the chemistry of beer brewing process. So I think that's pretty cool. And you can search for all different types of things too. You can search through everything, and it'll talk about how it's been mentioned in the forums and those kinds of things. And it'll also look for public content as well. Okay, well, this concludes my first video on this website and this content. There are a couple of other features that I'll highlight in the future, but I just wanted to get something started for those of you that are new to this platform.